Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a kiddie swimming pool with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin with a 6x8 plate. I'm going to take a 1x2x2 corner plate with bow, place this right here, followed by a 1x4 plate with bow. Then I'm going to fill in the center of this with several 1x2 and 1x4 transparent light blue flat tiles. Now, if you choose, you can use transparent clear, but for this demonstration, I'm just going to use light blue because, well, I have a lot of this color floating around, so let's use it for the kiddie pool. Place these right in here, and then I'm going to proceed on with the sides right here, starting with a 1x2 plate with bow, and then we're just going to wrap around here with another corner plate with bow, another 1x2 plate with bow, and right here in the front center a 1x4, followed by a set of 1x2x2 plate with bows to complete the pool. Now for accessories, I'm just going to throw a little red ball in there. It likes to roll around. Then one of these little lifeguard rescue cans. It makes a nice little mini raft. And to complete it, a little rubber ducky.